Now, another impact of the Me Too movement in Hollywood, in Bollywood first actually, where actor Hrithik Roshan has now spoken out against director Vikas Bahl, and he said that it is impossible for me to work with a person if she is guilty of such grave misconduct. Remember, this entire incident was detailed in a Huffington Post copy in which they spoke to a woman who had been in fact sexually assaulted by Vikas Bahl, who was part of the Bollywood production house Phantom Films. After these allegations emerged, and after it also emerged that another of the founders, Anurag Kashyap, had done nothing about it, Phantom Films was dissolved just 2 days ago, and now Bollywood star Hrithik Roshan saying that he will not work for somebody with somebody who's been accused of such misconduct. He said that I have requested the producers of Super 30 that Vikas Bahl is involved with to take stock of the apparent facts and take a harsh stand if need be. This is not to be hushed or brushed under the carpet. All proven offenders must be punished, and all exploited people must be empowered and given strength to speak. Vikas Bahl, remember, is the director of hit film Queen. Well, let's go across to Rohit Khilnani now for more. And Rohit, finally it seems in Bollywood we have people taking a stand. Hrithik Roshan, one of the big names from Bollywood, saying he will not work with Vikas Bahl, who's been accused of sexual assault.
Absolutely, Gagi, you're right. And this is the first mainstream big film star taking such a big stand with a director who he's been working with him very closely. He's, the shoot has started, and now Hrithik saying that it is impossible for me to work with him. It is evident that they will have to change the director, because when he's saying that he's definitely not going to work with him, so that's a huge one coming from one of Bollywood's biggest superstars currently. We know about the allegation against Vikas Bahl. So this whole controversy is now going mainstream, and it's people on social media are actually praising Hrithik Roshan. If you go below his tweets and see that big stars have to take a stand on this, because for a long time they have played mum. They've not stood up to any of such incidents and cases and ignored, and most of this is brushed under the carpet. But with all the pressure with the media and the social media on the Me Too stories, Hrithik is the first star, and and people on social media are actually giving this tweet a great welcome, because so that more and more stars come ahead and take stand if there are any accusations against a director, writer, or anyone from the crew.